Alright guys, to install these hinges by Royal Hooks, they're aluminum, they're very nicely cut, and they're anodized, and the only reason I got those is because the red anodized part actually matches my wheel, so I'm just trying to carry that color onto the truck. First thing you're gonna need to do is get a T50 star bit. You're gonna take this screw off, top and bottom, and then you're going to remove these two screws with the T50. Once you get the two T50s out of here, this will roll off of the door, and if you wiggle it and pull up on it, it will slowly work its way out of the hole. Go ahead and clean this area up so that the new one will fit flush. Alright, it comes with new hinge pins. The bevel side goes down into the truck, and the long side with the flat end goes into the hinge. Got to install that before we move forward. Once it's installed, we can go ahead and put it on the truck. And your stock screws are beveled like a lug nut, and so is the hinge plate. It's self-aligning. Tighten up this bottom pin first to ensure it's aligned, and then tighten these two up.